Hey friends, this is Nazi for Pure Val and welcome to the update on CKB. On a 7-day time frame chart, you can see that the price of CKB is moving inside a very huge and long-term falling wedge pattern. And recently, by the way, on the daily time frame chart, we also broke out another falling wedge pattern as well. But after the breakout, we had a nice short rally. And the price was very close to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. By the way, the technical target was here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately $8.0078, but the price and could not hit that target because of this long-term uptrend line resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance had been previously breaking as a very strong long-term support of this up channel, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of June 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for FIS, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 27th of June 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup. A buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of CKB. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, the price of CKB has been moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a nice short pump. By the way, after the breakout, it was rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.0053, retested the previous resistance of wedge as support and geared up, but could not break out this long-term uptrend and resistance. On the daily time frame chart, we broke it out for a while, but on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that it is completely rejected. We just had a spike beyond this resistance, but the price could not break it out, rejected, and drop down here at the support of a bigger falling wedge pattern. And once again, it is bounced very well from this support of the wedge and geared up. And now there is a probability that soon we may try to break out this long-term resistance of $0.00535. Once again, that has been previously, by the way, working as a very strong resistance here and support here and almost here as a resistance. You can see that the price went very close to this resistance here. And now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that it has been acting as a support here for several days and resistance here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price. And then after that, it can hit, after breaking it out, it can hit this uptrend line resistance somewhere here, approximately at $0.0067. And if the price and breaks out this uptrend line resistance, then it can hit the resistance of bigger falling wedge pattern somewhere here, approximately at $0.008 or $0.009. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several weeks and months, it is moving inside this wedge. And by the way, this support of the wedge wall has been previously acting as a very strong and long-term resistance. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a long-term support for the price line of CKB. And in case of breaking out this huge wedge, a very massive pump can be started. However, the technical and long-term target for the breakout from this expected breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 3.5 cents to 4 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.